Yeah. Never mind. Right. Here we go. 250. Ho ho! Come on, naan bread. Right, if the suspension's not back after this one, we'll have to stop the live and start again. Oh, fuck! Yeah?
It's suspended for the whole life.
Is it?
Yeah.
Mate, that was juicy. Right, next up, people, we've got 2 more. But please follow me, because I'm going to have to end the live now and restart again, okay? So if you're not following me, quickly drop a follow, and we're going to be tuning straight back.